itself.
How many of us have observed the ratios of birds? Even if you don't have enough food, you bring them together. Always go to monitor them. Otherwise, if you come to your poultry now, you see those of them that are like they are 4 weeks. You see some of them that are like they are 2 weeks. In the same end, the same carton, the same bed. Sometimes you say they have mixed my bed. Actually, they do that. But sometimes we also create chances by not separating those beds according to their characters and height. Hello? Do you understand that now?
Yes, sir.
And then when you turn them to the brooding house, make sure that there's always water and make sure there's always feed. Don't allow an empty trough and an empty feeder. By the time they want to go and eat, there's no food. They want to go and drink, there's no water. They don't have any option than to go and die. The only option they have is to go and do what? Sit down and die. I make mention here that if you go to some places, poultry meats are so free and so common that they use it as appetizers. Hello? Go to any eatery in Nigeria now. Tell them that I want to eat gizzard. It's a big man. It's a big man food here. I need gizzard. You know the way they pronounce it, I need gizzard. Ordinary people that are eating without meat, they just promote their eye. But outside here, these are the things that you eat as well. You crush it and you cook it for fish meal. Hello. Let us turn to economic poultry economics. Poultry economics. If you brood your bird and get 2 kg in 5 weeks, and I brood my bird and I get 2 kg in 8 weeks, who makes more money? Huh? So, if I give you practical, give you birds, we don't give you 6 weeks. The maximum we give you 6 weeks. Otherwise, by 5 weeks, your bird is supposed to weigh 2 point something kg, and that is definitely it. In 5 weeks, you may not spend as much feed as somebody who paid for 8 weeks. Am I right? Yes. So to cut cost, that's as a poultry economy. To cut cost, you brood your best. There is no how you brood broiler bird and it becomes tough. So don't waste your money brooding 8 weeks, 9 weeks, 10 weeks, and then you go to market. Your heart is my base now are 10 weeks. You are wasting your time. By the time you calculate how much you use to feed this bird for 10 weeks and calculate you sold it for 20,000, you discover that you didn't make up to 2,000 naira. How much did you sell this bird? I told you 25,000 because I couldn't eat it for 10 weeks. The feed you use to do birds in 10 weeks, if you do plus minus, you will discover how much you sold it. How much money you get. Do you understand that? So,
My name is Mike. I have a question.
go ahead.
Concerning water, did it actually break down the water? Not just the use of it, but also water quality. Talk about people using water. Now, I was expecting you to actually dissect it in terms of using water, because I've had a scenario whereby something we also noticed that most of our boreholes here in Nigeria, because we were trying to tell us of your travel abroad and here. Now you don't compare our water quality with that of that side. Now most of our boreholes here contain a very high iron content and acidic content. So I was expecting you to break down on the water usage because no matter how much you try, you will still have mortality.